today it's a bike check. And right here we have Colt control bars that are now white. We have a Snafu jet fuel stem, Snafu detangler, and gyro. Primo headset, Snafu magical forks, Harry Main signature. We have two different grips. One is Odyssey Tom Dugan grips, I believe. The other one's a scooter grip, just because comfort. It's shadow, top cable, some random brake lever, front G Sport rim, roll cage, Profile Elite in the front, Merit option tire, 2.35. So we've decided to switch locations, and we're gonna continue here. So right here, another G Sport roll cage rim, laced to a Profile Elite hub, booty, another Merit option tire in the back, same size because I like to keep it the same. We have premium slim pedals, they're plastic and worn down. Snafu jet fuel cranks, Mayweather's, Fit Bico key guard sprocket, not spline because we don't need that. Some random bottom bracket. Got the Odyssey Galaxy seat. It's a tripod with a shadow tripod post. It's all riding on the Eastern Reaper frame. I believe it's been spray painted, so it's not. This isn't the original color. And oh, for the brakes, I don't know what like brake things they are. I think they're stock or something. And then we have the E-Clat Force brake pads, even though you're not supposed to use them with chrome rims because they're clear. But we don't care. We do whatever we want. That's it. You guys should tune in for the next video. Subscribe and like. Alright, so that's my bike. Bike check 2016, October, whatever day it is. And now we're gonna get some clips for you guys.